Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Vista Magnet Middle School, VMMS, home of the Vipers here in Vista, California, and part of the Vista Unified School District. It's my first visit here on campus ever, and such an honor to get to share my heart with the AM/PM students, a part of the after-school program. And I'm in their school courtyard right now, near the main office, and it's really pretty sweet because all over campus you see these awesome murals, just paintings everywhere, really trying to promote kindness, really good values, having that strong foundation, good morals. But there's one quote that I saw on this wall right here. It said, "Too often we underestimate the power of a smile, a kind word, a listening ear, an honest compliment, or the smallest act of caring, all of which have potential to turn a life around." And that was a huge focus on today's assembly. We talked about bullying and looking at someone's heart first, but we also talked about the impact of our actions, right? That just one action, 2 seconds, one word even, right, could potentially change a heart forever or maybe even save a life. And so through a series of interactive examples, some tangible props, objects that I was showing, some picture slides that reinforced the powerful stories, some inspirational videos, some really uplifting music, all of that combined is what really touched a lot of hearts today. And a lot of students came up to me after and just said, "Mr. Peace, this really resonated with me." I mean, even some of the staff members, it's a life lesson to preach kindness, to talk about kindness, but it's for any age, right? And to know that, someone like me that lives thousands of miles away in Michigan, here in sunny California now, to know that, in under an hour, that every hand was up in the room when I asked, "Did something touch your heart?" To really think and fathom that, we have the power in under an hour to touch someone's heart. I mean, think about the rest of the school year or an entire lifetime, right? If we keep our hearts open to that love and to that kindness, and our heart's as big as our fist, if we can let love and peace and compassion fully enter into here, we can turn that into this peace sign, right? One finger is ourself, the other is someone trying to lift up higher than ourself by how we choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also, again, 2 seconds, because in one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, one tweet, one text, one DM, one comment, virtual or in person, we can either uplift or we can destroy. And we have that choice. And they really did understand that today. They grasped it. And to know that they're taking it to heart at this, pivotal age, the middle school age, grade 6, 7, and 8 today, that's what keeps inspiring me. It keeps me going, keeps pushing, knowing that whatever they have gone through, will go through, or are currently going through, that yes, hurt people, a big reason why bullying happens, but healed people heal people. If we can find it in our heart to rise above the hate and know that we rise by lifting others. So thanks again for touching my heart. It was great to see you all. I'll be back again for 2 more visits this school year, 2023, 2024, to keep building on what we talked about today, some other really important topics. But until then, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.